In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add zero lag liquidity, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull this indicator into your Tradingview chart and start using it as part of your trading workflow without any confusion. First, make sure you're already logged into your Tradingview account and you've got a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be any pair or asset, the process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search and add pretty much any tool you want to overlay on your chart. Inside that search box, at the top of the window, type in Zero Lag. Take a moment to type it carefully so you get the right results. Tradingview will start filtering indicators as you type, and you should see a list of different scripts that match. What we're interested in is the one specifically labeled Zero Lag Liquidity. If you're new to indicators, think of this search box as your main way to quickly find what you need, instead of scrolling through long menus. Once you see Zero Lag Liquidity appear in the list, hover over it and click on it one time. As soon as you click, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You'll notice new lines or visual elements showing up, depending on how the script is designed. If you want to fine-tune the way it looks, you can open the settings by clicking on the indicator's name on your chart and adjusting colors, line thickness, or any inputs the creator has included. This helps you match it to your personal style and makes it easier to read at a glance during live market conditions. If you're planning to use indicators like Zero Lag Liquidity seriously and want more alerts, more saved layouts, and a smoother charting experience overall, consider upgrading your Tradingview plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use for Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to additional features that make using tools like this even more powerful and convenient. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to add the Zero Lag Liquidity and Liquidity indicator quickly and easily, and you're ready to start experimenting with it on your own charts.